G'day there, it's Kyle and Jess here from Sodium Overland on another Weekend Warrior adventure. So we've had a long weekend this weekend, believe it or not. This is winter, supposedly winter, but it's about, about 23 degrees today?
Yeah.
22?
Probably around that.
Not a cloud in the sky. And we've tried to get away from the hustle and bustle, and we've headed about 3.5 hours north to a place called the Beekeepers Nature Reserve, and it's just a little bit north of Lehman. So originally we were going to do this big grand tour around from here inland into the gold region around Perenjori and all that, but we kind of got here after a few very busy weeks at work and thought, bugger it, we'll just hang about.
Relax by the beach, go for a swim, enjoy the serenity of it. We've had a few extra guests come along, so it's actually quite busy. Lots of motorbikes driving around. And
super busy. 3.5 hours is not long enough. You need to go 5.5 hours north. But it's a beautiful spot here.
Yeah.
And we're enjoying ourselves. So a fair bit's happened to us since our last video, I guess. We've taken a little bit of time off the overlanding, but we actually got married, didn't we?
Yes, we did. Had some other life experiences.
And then we did that in South Australia, in the Adelaide Hills. And then where did we go after that?
Then we went home to Kangaroo Island for a week just to relax, and then we went off to Ubud, Bali for 5 nights up in a jungle resort. So that was extremely nice and relaxing. These flies are nice.
A few other flies around. But yeah, so our plans are to do some relaxing. It's good.
Let's relax.
Yeah. Anything else? No. Alright. We'll catch you. Catch you on the flip side. Oh, so what's happening here?
Getting tonight's dinner ready.
And what do we got on the menu tonight?
Roast chicken, hopefully. Let's see how we go.
Look at that bird.
We will see.
Very nice. And here is the fire. I'm just trying to get some embers going. So we'll get some bigger pieces on in a minute. And so dinner is now in the oven, the camp oven. We'll see how this goes. We're going to check it in about 45 minutes.
Testing time. Let's see how dinner's coming along. Oh, that looks pretty bloody good.
I reckon it's done.
I reckon she's probably done
Chuck a fork in it, I'm done. Alright.
Alright.
We'll take her off.
Sounds good.
Look at the liquid in that.
None of the wine came out by the looks of it.
Yeah, it's delicious. So the beautiful thing about the camp oven is it's such a small volume of an oven that is extremely juicy.
That is, isn't it? There you go.
Is that mine?
There we go, hey?
Mate, bird is the word.
Sweet potato, normal potato, sweet potato, carrot, garlic, and garlic. How rich that is.
Holy hell, that's what you want. That's the good stuff right there.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get a ladle. Let's get that into our lives.
Just need a cup of this on the side. Actually, a cup of that on the side would be really nice. I might have that.
Let's have a look at your face. Yeah.
Are you cuddly in there? Yeah.
This is a little cast pot that we got from our very good friends Jimmy and Emma, and we thought we'd do a bit of a bacon, a bit of a Spanish breakfast perhaps in there. A bit of bacon, bit of eggs, bit of baked beans. If we had the option, we'd be cooking on the wood fire, but we do have some wood here, but unfortunately this local bush here is extremely smoky, so it makes it very difficult to cook on.
Smoky, streaky bacon.
And we brought a little bit of wood. We had that last night, and yeah, that was really nice. But I think today we'll go search for some dry wood for this evening's meal.
Gotta be ready.
Come on, breakfast time!
Yay! Excellent.
Look at that, bubbling away. Super soft.
I think we are stuck. Deflate time.
Too soft.
Take a look at where we are though.
It's amazing how much these dunes move.
Yeah. an almost vertical edge.
Hey, whoopah! Sand dunes can be very deceptive.
That
Like a nice track, ends up being a pain.
they can.
They're always changing. Well, this is the last night. We're here,
Yeah.
and then we're going to be heading back to Perth. But what a beautiful night that we've been blessed with.
It is stunning.
Beautiful day, beautiful night. Lots of flies, but apart from that, it was really, really nice. So we're just perched up here in the dunes, being as careful as we can. Having a bottle of wine.
Yes, we are. A beautiful McLaren Val one.
Yeah, well,
Hopefully.
bit of the cheap Blanc. And a bit of a cheese, crackers, salami before our main dinner. I'm sure you'll see some of that, but tonight's dinner will be burgers, kangaroo burgers. So I'll give you a quick look around here. It's bloody beautiful. We're just perched up watching the sunset. Couple of corn laying in bed, a heat bed.
And a flame grilled cat skin. Chicken.
Yummo. So the verdict on the corn, which one was better? The corn in the leaves on the embers, or the corn in the leaves in the aluminium foil on the embers?
Our foil, I think, cooked it more evenly.
Ah, very good. Bit of brunchy lunch before we pack down and, well, finish packing down and head off. Car's almost packed.
Yep.
Now, without getting too preachy, one of the things we try to do when we leave a camp is obviously take all our rubbish, but have a quick search around for anybody else's. It's not too hard. We've got this $5 scoop picker up thing from Super Cheap, trying to leave the campsite and surrounding area better than what we found it. Sodium Overland is powered by Medicar Automotive, Malaga suspension and Manta performance exhaust.